Okay, good afternoon. It is 11:53. I'm at 86% on my phone. The date is March 2nd, 2023. I'm going to do a reading. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a Western medicine doctor. I'm not a lawyer. And if you're wondering why I'm always out in my car and wearing like the same, I'm in transition from one life, an old life, to a new. And this is where I'm at right now. I hope everyone's doing well. Let's see what's going on in the cards. First I want to pick a card out of the chat pack, and that's conversation starters. Let's see what kind of things we can think about today. If you could swallow a pill that would stop anything of your choice from ever happening to you again, anything except keep you from getting sick, what would the pill permanently end? So basically, you could take a pill that will solve anything in your life except for health, because I guess that means pills don't actually save your health. What would it be? Is it going to be an easy pill to swallow or a difficult pill to swallow? It's all in how you look at it. Oh God. Let's see. Blank. No pill. The red pill or the blue pill? Are you going to be red pilled into awakening to what is up? What's going on? What's really going on? Or are you going to take the blue pill and stay asleep and stay in the matrix and just, Okay, someone sees someone as a true friend. A true friend. TF. See you as a true friend. Who touches hearts. You touch hearts. Or you see this person as someone who touches hearts. Maybe they touch your heart. Okay, let's see what's going on. Spaceship and unicorn ice cream. Someone's been being shipped off. A cone. A cone, C-O-N-E. Space cone. They put you on a pedestal. Like they see you high up. They see you as rare and magical. Bluebird, honest, blue. The throat chakra, someone who speaks well and uses their intuition. They see someone who's like from out of this world, not of this world. Flight of loss of income. Someone who's had someone's watched someone who maybe acts as a true friend and they touch people's hearts. Space, unicorn, space, out there, space. Spaced out, someone's spaced out. Take flight. They took flight because of a loss of income. They were spaced out when they took flight, and it caused them a lot of income, a loss. Rocket. A space rocket. Closet magician. Someone who does magic in the closet. They wanted someone to be spaced out and confused. They gas you up. Someone gassed someone up and then deflated them. That's how they do their magic. It's like narcissist techniques. And someone's seen this happen. Someone has seen this happen. They got their knickers and they're in a bunch, their panties. It really miffed them that someone would do this, because it's like they got their panties, their knickers in a bunch, in a group. They got them in a group. They got their pants in a group, in a circle, because they wanted to take off. They want to take something off. Your family they took off. They wanted the family, your family wanted you gone. They wanted you to take off. They wanted people to believe that you're spaced out on drugs and like wackadoodles. I don't know. Snickers with the knickers. Pomegranate. You had someone had something in the palm of their hand and they took it for granted. Something that was a pomegranate is very fertile. It's fertility. Someone who's abundant. They tried to blow smoke around someone who is very, very fruitful and abundant. This is a pomegranate. Volcanic. They wanted to set them on fire, like fire and smoke and mirrors. They what? Okay. Oh. I had channeled a message about don't let other people gas you up. They'll be the same ones to deflate you or something like that. I don't know. I don't know who said that. Someone got caught up in this trying to take down this abundant fruit, trying to burn it, like make it shrink. Because when something burns and it's dehydrated, it shrinks. And eventually, everything turns to ashes. So it can blow away. Blow away. Just blow away, go away. Blow away, go away. Wow. Are you happy with what you have? Are these people like who gassed you? They gassed you. Whether it's gaslighting or gassing you up to bring you down. Are you happy with what you have? Are you happy with the choices you woke up and made? Let's see. I gotta get another stack. I'm seeing what's that? Snow. No. It's like a obsidian. A snow obsidian? Snow obsidian. No snobs. No snobs. Whatever. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. No snobs. No knobs. Bedroom, witches, and bed knobs. Is it a witch movie? Which movie? Oh my God, I can't. Did I say Snow Obsidian? This card just. Okay. That's relevant. That's relevant, obviously, for someone needs it. It's a protection stone to get them out of the clouds. There's a lot of crows. 12 crows blending in with the clouds. They're hiding in that cloud, that smoke and mirrors. E. 2E, 3E, and an F. 3EF. That might be someone's initials. Why am I getting like something about a car? There's something about an electric car. I don't know why. An E-car, E-C, E-C, Easy, E, East Easy. She's easy on the east side. I don't know who she is. Someone knows. Someone's talking about someone who's easy on the east side. They lied in court about a lizard queen. Someone who has, like, ancestral blood, RH blood. They can't, the toxicology, they can't tolerate drugs like medicine. It would kill them quickly. Toxic, yes, toxic. You got this. Someone tried to bury a lizard queen through drugs, poisons. Someone who has, they have reptilian blood. Someone lied in court. It's fibbers. There's always not just a fib. There's more than. Always more than. Casa imported lies. And the house imported lies. Urticaria. That's skin disease, skin rash. Hives. It's a hive of a house. It's an import house hive. Do they have green? Are they green? I don't know. 3G. Green. Why am I getting George or G? 3G. Gateway. Wait a minute. Gateway is Stargate Project. Isaacson. I personally, I grew up with, I went to school with and dated in junior high school. This is so long ago. Junior. His father he worked in the Stargate program. Stargate. And then he got infected with something in his arm. Oh my gosh, Stargate. Dang-a-ring. Oh my gosh. Whistle while you work. The whistle's being blown on these projects. You know why they call it project? Because it's a project. Who's in it? We're in it. Whistleblower? Someone's a whistleblower? They risked their life to be a whistleblower. And they aren't. Yeah, they did. The true heroes, I believe, are the whistleblowers. The one who take the risk, tell the truth, and stand hard in their convictions. Yes. Say my name. Say it like you mean it. Say it with conviction. England, England, and England, and endocrine gland, and their endocrine system. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Back to reading cards. 16, 31, 32. Yes. Say my name. Yes. It's not me. You, it's me. Yes. It's not you, it's me. Say my name. Say my name. I like to sing. I like to sing in my free time. Family affirmations came out again. Family affirmative advocacy for the disabled. Someone who advocates for disabled. Whoa, disabled. Just advocate for people with in domestic violence. They just see someone as the advertisement, like the advertisement of light, like crystal light. Ooh, you know, I'm not saying ew like crystal as in, you know, someone who sees clearly through things. It's that beverage is, oh, you know, I all that artificial sweetener stuff just, if I taste something like Diet Now I'm not knocking people who drink that, but if you're away from it for like, oh my gosh, I rarely ever, I don't know, it's probably like 2010 I stopped drinking sodas and diet stuff. When you taste it again, it like your taste buds, they're like, no, this is not meant to be in my body. And that's kind of how like pharmaceuticals have been for me. Like once my body was rid of all kind of like that, yeah, preach it, Seagull. The Seagull is singing about it. My body can't tolerate it at all. Like nothing. Except, you know, a little smoking weed skis. But yeah, I can't tolerate preaching it again. Sing in the choir for me. Thank you, Seagull. Steve Seagull. Hello, Steve Seagull. How are you? I hope you're well. Just shout out. I don't know why. I just felt your spirit walking in my energy right now, so thank you. Lucid dreams. Maybe someone's been having waking dreams. They're in control of their dreams. Lucid dreams is when you're asleep, but in your dream state, you actually are aware that you're asleep and you're aware of being asleep in your dream. It's like a mind fuck. It really is, but it's wild. Hot air balloon, lifting someone up on a small platform. It looks like there's little sticks. I know it might not be, but it looks like sticks of incense burning on this platform, clearing out energy, releasing all hot air. Maybe someone's been having lucid dreams about going up in an hot air balloon. I had dreams like that. When I went up in a hot air balloon and it was so real. It was so real. Oh, wait, loose. Ooh. Okay, you know what? This is not. Someone's been having waking dreams about this. It says maybe they're having nightmares about a situation that happened. Aries energy. Something that they've been having a hard time coming to terms with. And okay, it maybe closed off their heart. Closed off their heart. They might be your twin flame, mirroring what like you're doing and saying. It's pink. Now when I think of pink, I think of love. Like blushing, someone blushing. Pink cheeks. They want to make your cheeks pink. Your cheeks, not these cheeks. They like, okay. Oh, chapped. Oh, wait a minute. I feel you. O-M. Mackie, the cardinal. Oh, what? Did someone try to get someone set up to like? This says manifest greatness, so in upside down, it would be like try to stall them. Keep them looking back or smelling something. Smelling armpits. Smelly armpits. Small. Keep them small. What? Who does? Come on. Thank you, highest. Thank you for helping someone sniff out the people blocking your blessings. Spirit sniffed out the people who are blocking your blessings. Thank you. Say thank you, higher power. Thank you. Yeah, they were trying to steal your dreams. They literally were trying to trap into your tap into your dreams so they could have you trapped. Like, you know, you don't have to believe in like certain kinds of magic or voodoo, hoodoo, whatever, but the people that practice it, they believe in it. And let me tell you, if there is belief, there is power. Just because you don't believe in something doesn't mean it's not real. And a lot of people don't understand that. Popcorn. They've been sitting back eating popcorn, waiting for someone to politely F off. They aren't your stability. They're just waiting, just like this. They might be trying to get that popcorn butter off their hands. I don't know. A little greasy. They might be a little greasy, a little slippery, slidey. Slick Rick with a dick. Hey guy, you showed up for your partner, when they needed you most. If they didn't thank you, I will. So someone's partner obviously stood up and showed up for whoever needed them when they needed them. That's you know what? There aren't many people like that anymore. Maybe they're out of illusion. No illusions. They can't be have the wool pulled over their eyes. A karmic Shinto a karmic upside down Shinto copycat. Someone's trying to copycat someone to get their Shinto. They were pretending to be the Shinto's counterpart, the Amaterasu. Pretending. PQs, they didn't mind their P's and Q's. Didn't mind their P's. Shin. Got banged in the shin. And hit in the third eye. They were blind-sided. Kicked in the shin and blind-sided. Blind-sighted. B, blinded by the white light, because the B in tarot on the Chariot is it on the Chariot? It's the B and the J. The B is on the white part. Blinded by a light. BL. Fire sign, fire scrying. Someone who can read symbols, see images in fire. Might be candle scrying, campfire, even anywhere you could. Fireplace, fire pit. AJ, ajar, open up, ajar. Ajana, someone's belt, OG, third eye, OG. That means the trash king. Element light, pituitary. That's part of the endocrine system. They're throwing up bile, and their poop is green. It's pancreas part of the endocrines, or is it the? I don't know. It has something to do with green. Something green. The vial. The vial is green. Green vial. Green vial. What the heck? Green vial. Congratulations. Is that the placebo? Placebo. Congratulations. You got a placebo. A placious bow. Placid. Icy. I don't know. Those are just words coming out because they have to, I guess. Okay. Let's see what else is going on. Oh, my ear just got, it's my right ear, high-pitched ringing. Woo! 29:55 on the clock. Let's see. Cards, playing the cards, writing cards, printing cards, printing decks. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Boughs? They bows bow to Holly. Who's Holly? Some hidden camera. Someone in Holly planted a hidden camera, maybe. Or their name is Holly. Bow. Now, bow is spelled B-O-W, but it could also mean bow. As like in bow and arrow. Want to do... What about this bow? An X. Carrying an X. Having a mark on your head. An X on your head. Like a target. Watching. Maybe they were a landscaper or gardener. Requited love. Something about requited love. A landscaper, gardener wanting requited love. Carrying the burdens of an ex. Carrying the crosses. Carrying the whole family. What? Why am I getting carrying the whole family? You embraced me? Someone missing an ex? Wanting to give requited love? Wednesday. What was it? Wednesday. My ears ringing really freaking high pitch. Where'd it go? Oh, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Jeweler. Wednesday. W. Wednesday's in the middle of a jeweler. A jewel. My ear is ringing really high pitch. Pilot, flight, taking off a jewel. Taking off. Leaving on a jet plane. Leaving on a jet plane. First class. Congratulations. You're a gem. You're a gem. Gem. Truly outrageous. Truly, truly, truly outrageous. Tarot reader. Oh my gosh. Someone's watching you watch me, watching you watching me, a tarot reader. Oh my. I don't know how much more you can testify when the birds sing. It terrifies someone. They have their defenses up. They want to scare you off. They're scared of you because you aren't scared of them, I hear, and like nothing scares this person. Yep. Oh gosh, juggling. Someone was juggling a bench warmer. Juggling the balls. Balls, please be patient. Someone's juggling. Maybe they're trying to get out of the circus. I don't know. They're no clown. Hi. Just, your average weirdo sitting in the car reading tarot. Some Japanese anime. Something about Japanese anime. Wicca anime. I'm ready for new adventures. Pink, new, fresh, like new adventures without any bullshit. New adventures. Sigma female, emotionally attached, intimidating, loyal, elusive, cunning, and calculating. Wow, that's a mouth. You know what? I have a feeling the Sigma, whoever they are, they know when they have to, you know, go in that mode. You just got, sometimes you just gotta just lay it down like you mean it. Lay it down, throw it around, whatever you gotta do to make you happy, I guess. I don't know. Black African American, origins of Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, and Haiti. Now, black is American too. Black, dark skin, heavily melanated, black skin. You might not be from Africa, but all of our ancestors, in that general, you know, we're all from dark at the Egyptian African ancestry with knowledge, wise owls. Someone who does their detective work and knows about a thing or two. They do a lot of work. They work a lot. They're thorough. Gamma, eager, empathetic, awake, independent, organized. Organized investigator, private eye. P, private. Organized, detective. Pod. P-O-D, pod. That did not work. Okay, I'm going to write it on the opposite side of this card. P-O-D. Detective. Pod. New code word, pod. Pod for the squad. You need a private organized detective for the squad, the pod squad. Who wants to be in the pod squad? I got beans, greens, tomatoes, potatoes. Okay, moving on. I can't even make this up. Moving on. Okay, I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna pull from the SoFi Wisdom Oracle, a couple cards, and end this reading. Because it's been going on for 38 minutes. Let's see what the oracles have to say. Okay, let me see. Self-creation. Be the author of your own life. Yes, you can write your own story. You can always start out with a new slate. It may be scary. It might be a little intimidating, but you can rewrite and write your life. How you see you live. Accepting challenges, you're going to have to accept challenges along the way, but if you trust what your gut and your instinct is telling you, you can't make. Just let the light guide you. You can't go wrong. So you can return to joy. That peaceful light in this egg. It's like a womb. We are here to experience joy. Not unjoy. Just joy. Almond joy. Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. Thank you.